This is the 313MK. Okay, 313MK. Normal price 72, on sale for 45,995. 36 feet 1 inch, so it's almost our size. But look, this thing is almost 8,500 pounds empty. It's got 3 slides. See, we only have 1 slide.
Yeah.
I wanted to look at it to see what it looked like with the 3 slides.
True.
So look at this. This looks like a 5th wheel.
It does.
Right?
Yeah.
So you have your opposing theater chairs and love seat down here on the end, which folds out to be a bed. You've got some nightstands or end tables. You've got power, cabinetry up top, right? That goes all the way through, which is nice. All powered chairs. The recline is manual, but everything else is powered. Right
Nice.
across you have your TV, your fireplace, your Jensen stereo system, and the cabinetry sort of starts to flow into the kitchen, all right? Which is a nice kitchen, Lisa.
It is, yeah. So you've got this great big island. We have a large single basin sink. We've got that tall faucet, and I haven't been pulling this down, so
okay.
I guess I probably should.
That's all right.
We've got some storage drawers here, and we've got some space underneath. Look at all that space.
Yep, again, I'm thinking that's where the trash goes.
Yeah. Now over on this side, we've got our microwave with storage on each side. We've got a 3-burner stove and an oven. We've got drawers on this side, a drawer underneath, and then we've got cabinets.
And that's pretty. That goes open all the way in there, guys. Yep,
That
lots
is all open. And then we've got our Furrion 12-volt refrigerator.
And freezer.
And freezer. Now right over here we have a nice coffee bar. This one has light, it's got power, we've got storage above as well as below. I apologize guys, my fingernails are like short and they're sore, so I'm ginger on the fingertips. I think this,
it's a half.
Yeah,
yep,
it is.
That's all right. All right, let's get up here. And,
oh, and look, we've got cubbies over
cubbies
here
there.
too.
Yeah, and I mentioned, look, sort of the table's a different color.
I like the chairs.
Right? Kind of the wood grain. Yep, love the chair look.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. Love that. Now, I don't think that would extend like some others.
I don't think so.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one is not.
Nope, that
not
table is what it
named
is.
It is.
All right, let's look at the bathroom. All right, so this toilet is facing this way. It's okay. My foot is touching, but I haven't changed my position at all. So I don't think any taller than me would be comfortable in here because you'd have to augment your position. But this is not bad. Okay. There's plenty of width as well, so I'm very, very comfortable. So yeah, I would call this tall and fluffy approved. All right. Underneath here, you've got some storage underneath your sink. Pretty big storage.
Yeah.
All right. It is a stainless under countertop sink. Plenty of countertop space for all the lotions and potions. You got a medicine cabinet. I can see from my nose down. It'd be nice if they hung that a little higher. But there's plenty of space for all the drugs. And then you've got the shower. See, now we've gone back up to the different line, right? So this is taller, so I don't have to be in the bubble, right? So definitely a great shower. 3 shelves, just like the other ones we've seen. And, of course, my favorite door.
Right.
All right. Last but not least, let's go ahead and take a look at the bedroom, which will be your 3rd slide. So, again, no nightstands left and right. They're up top, but you see they've put power up there for CPAPs. Got some little pin lights if you want to read at night. The bed does fold up. There we go. Storage all the way.
And that does go way back there.
Okay. Directly across is sort of the entertainment and area and all the stuff for your folded clothes. Right. You have to fold them up kind of tight, but we could get them in there. Lisa's good at that. Right, you got 4 drawers here, 2 small ones and 2 big ones, and then the matching cabinet over there. Behind Lisa is another cabinet. I'll take this. Why don't you open that up?
All right.
My guess is that is a washer-dryer area. Pull, girl. It is. So that is prepped for a combo unit. If you're not going to put a combo unit in there, then you can hang clothes. But you don't have to worry if you're putting a combo unit that you're losing your hanging space because you have a huge closet up here in the front. Look at that, y'all. Some additional shelves for folded things, so you don't have to fold them into Chinese origami. And there's some power hidden back up in there, too.
Very nice.
Yeah. I like this design, too.
Yeah, very nice.
I do.